Guys, I want you all to see all the stuff that come out of that. This is all the stuff that was added. Lemons, half of a chopped onion, just roughly chopped, 3 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, black pepper, turmeric, and it's all strained. It has steeped a while. It's all been strained. I want someone to see this because this is one of the most powerful things that I drink. I don't even tell anybody because I never know what the doctors are going to say. I mean, I've shared it with my family, different family members, but I never tell the doctors. I just let them tell me what's going on with the blood. In here is 1 teaspoon of turmeric, that much water. I adjusted the water as I boiled it because I wanted it to be this much. So I brought it up to that amount. That pot is about 4 quarts. 2 quarts. That much. But you can make it as strong or as weak as you want it. It doesn't matter. You can make it a quart, however much you want it. You can store it in a jar. You can let it cool all the way down. Drink it as an elixir. You can do it however you choose to do it. I'm going with a cup. This is my cup. This is my cup for every day. And I'm going to probably put it half of that. That's how much a drink of coffee, tea, anything I drink about half of this cup. This cup. So I want you guys to see this. I'm letting it cool down where I'm going to add one or my sweeteners or the other. As I said, if you're a very bad diabetic, go with stevia, 0 calories. I don't care for all stevia because certain stevia adds erythritol, which is an alcohol, and you have to be real careful. So I searched and I found this one. It has no erythritol. It's a cheapie, but it's stevia in the raw, and I use it. I also bought a heavier sweetener, which is blue agave. It sweetens anything, meat, turkey, anything you want to glaze, chicken, whatever. It's a beautiful sweetener. It's all raw. All raw. There you go. Walmart, Costco, Amazon, all of them got it. But this one came from Costco. I just sweeten to taste. I don't go crazy. I don't sweeten the whole amount because I drink it as I choose. Sometimes if I want it cold, I'll put it in the refrigerator, drop it in a smoothie, and boom. It just depends on how I want to drink it. Sometimes I'll mix it combo in a glass, ice and coconut water and a little bit of sweetener. I do it the way I want, but I make about this much. And once I've drank about this much, I'm going to be clear. I'm going to be detoxed. It's just that strong. If you do it 2 or 3 times a day, 2 or 3 times a day, this is enough for 3 times a day. You can quadruple it and make it this size of that pot right there. Or you can make it just this size of that pot. It's up to you. Guys, don't worry about the sink. This is my sink. My sink is clean, and this is where I want to show you because it gives me a good peripheral vision. This is powerful. Trust me. Half an onion, 3 bay leaves, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 whole lemon squeezed, 1 whole lemon squeezed, boiled, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Boil it, steep it, cool it down, drink it. This is enough for 3 times a day. You're going to be clear, a lot of clarity. You're going to be detoxed for the day. Now, if you want to get completely detoxed, where you clean your blood, do it about 7 days in a row. I promise you. 3 times a day. That's all it takes. Half onion, not a lot of ingredients. When I have my apple cider vinegar, I add in my cup a tiny, 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 very tiny amount of apple cider vinegar. When I have my apple cider vinegar, I go with a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. That's what I use. When I have it, I'm out of it, and I add a pinch of red pepper in my cup, or I add a tablespoon in this amount of liquid. Guys, I love you. Do better, learn better. When we learn better, we do better over and over and over. When we learn better, we do better. Learn better so you can do better. When you learn better, you will do better. Blessing and peace, guys. I love you. I'm out. Until the next video. Blessings. Shalom.